Done? Yes, online team, is it done, ma? Please respond in the chat box. Understand and write, don't copy blindly. Okay. So whatever you are writing in your notes, you are only the responsible person. If you write dot in your notes, what is the meaning of that dot? You should know properly. Okay. Fine. So now we will discuss about what are the different layers are there in software. If we do the post-mortem of software, we will be having different layers. We will be having different layers. So what are that layers, sir? That we should have to discuss now. Now look here, everyone. So can I remove this? Good. See. So the very interesting topic. Layers of software. What is that? Sir, what are the layers of software? What are the different layers are there? Boss, there are basically three layers. Okay, that is UI, comma, business logic, comma, database. What are the three layers? User interface, business logic, and database layer. Sir, what are these three layers? Look here, I'll write UI layer means user interface layer. Second one is business logic layer. So can I write like this? Business logic layer. And the third one is database layer. Okay. So without these three layers, we cannot develop the software. So if you want to develop any software, how many layers are mandatory? Three layers. One is user interface. Second one is business logic. And third one is database. Third one is database. Now we'll discuss in detail what are these layers. Okay. Now, just now we have discussed about which application? WhatsApp application. You know very well. As I told you, how many features were there? 6 features. What are that features? Good. Then audio call, video call. Finally, we'll be having logout. So these are all the features or functionalities which are present in the software. Okay, can I say this WhatsApp as an application? Yes. Can I say this WhatsApp as a software? Yes. Can I say this WhatsApp as a project? Yes. Just now I told you software is also called as project, product, build, tool, application. Am I right? Good. See. So look here, ma, everyone. If we want to construct, if we want to construct any software, we will be having how many layers? 3 layers. Okay. So without these 3 layers, we cannot construct the software. So software is impossible without these 3 layers. Sir, what are these 3 layers? How these 3 layers are constructed? That we should have to discuss now. So let us copy this. Let us copy this. Let us copy this. Understand and write. Don't copy blindly. Done? Good. Now look here, everyone. Now I will show you how this WhatsApp is created. What are the different layers are there that we'll discuss now. Look here, everyone. So as an example, we are taking what? WhatsApp. See, don't forget the features because we should have to construct here all these features. Login, chatting, video calling, status. Fine. Now see, boss, I will draw all these three layers here. So first one is what? Then understanding. Sir, what is there inside this UI layer? Can you please tell me? All these login, one page, chatting, one page, video calling, one page. These are all different pages or not? Yes. So all these pages are constructed under UI layer. Login page, video calling, okay, video calling, chatting, status, logout. All these pages. If you want, I'll write login page, then video calling page, chatting page, understanding status, even video call, even logout page. Understanding me? All these pages are developed under which layer? User interface layer. Very good. So there is one particular person to develop all these pages. What is the name of that person? No. Front end developer. Which developer? Good. Sir, which technologies he might use to develop to design all these pages? Which technologies he will use? Don't know. HTML again. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. JavaScript. Very good. Now next. Just now I told you, if we combine all the small programs, then one big program is created or one big code is created that is called as which code, ma? Boss, this code is written inside the business logic layer. Which layer? Business logic layer. So can I write entire code here? Good. So which code it is? Source code of application. Now I have a question. Who is responsible for this particular business logic layer? Which developer? Backend developer? No. We call them code developers or programmers. Or programmers. Which languages they might use? Good. They might use Java. They might use Python. Even we have .NET. So many languages are there. Ruby, C Sharp. Okay. Fine. Now, it is the time to discuss about database layer. See, can anyone please tell me how many peoples will use this particular WhatsApp per day? How many peoples will use? Everyone is using WhatsApp here. So like you, meanwhile, how many people are using WhatsApp? Millions. Exactly correct answer. So millions of users are using. How many? Millions. We don't know. All these persons, all these users related data is getting stored inside the database layer. Which layer? All user related information is getting stored. Understanding me? Fine. Now tell me how the data will be stored inside the database. This is called as row and column format. Rows or column format. Technically, we can say tabular format, not tables. Which format? Tabular format. Now see, sir, who is responsible for this database layer then? Backend developers. Which developers? Which language they might use? MySQL is the server. SQL is the language. Okay. So structural query language. Structural query language. Did you understand? Yes. It means if you open any software, in that software, we will be having how many layers? Three layers. One is user interface. Second one is business logic. And third one is database layer. Understanding me? Good, good. But the person who is having knowledge of all the layers, even this, even this, even this, them called as full stack developers and full stack testers. Full stack developers and full stack testers. Now our course is not for development. Our course is for full stack testing and I only responsible to teach you all the things. Okay. Now did you understood clearly? Everyone, online team, are you there? Good. Copy this. Copy this. They might ask you in interview, what are the different layers of software? Then you should have to explain neatly. Copy this. Guru Ganti, I will explain you. Wait. My voice is not stuck, Dipali. I am not talking anything. You are writing no. Mongo is there. MongoDB is there. MySQL is there. SQL Server is there. Servers. That's only I'm telling. No. Is it done? Copy it. Good. Now see. Okay, sir. No issue. We will be having three layers. You can go through any software. We have these three layers. UI sometimes it is also called as presentation layer. Which layer? Okay. But why this UI is called as user interface means, see here it is the user. So user is interacting with whole software with the help of which layer? First layer. So that it is called as user interface layer. Which layer? User interface layer. Same way, we will be having three types of softwares. How many types of softwares? Three types of softwares that we should have to discuss now. Okay, fine. So can I remove this online team? Can I erase it? Yeah, recordings are available. You will get it. No issue at all. Yes, good. Fine. Now look here. What are the different types of softwares that we should have to discuss? So before that, we will write some theory about it. First one is UI layer. Which layer? UI layer. So what is UI layer? User interface layer. So can I write like this? Each and every user is interacting with software with the help of this layer. Hence it is called as what we called it as UI layer. Which layer? User interface layer. Who is responsible for this one? I told you. Ha. It is developed by front-end developers. Okay. And they might use or they'll use which languages? CSS. JS means languages to develop the user interface layer. To develop user interface layer. Understanding? Copy this. So copy this. Yeah, is it done? Still he is writing. Done, Rajkumar. Fine. So, yes, can I remove this? Good. So I'll remove it. And second layer. What is our second layer? See, it is useful to store. Which code is stored inside business logic layer? Just now I told you. Yes, to store the source code of application. Source code of application. Now look here, everyone. It is a very secure layer. It is very secure layer. And meanwhile, it controls sound. Meanwhile, it controls sound. Which layers? UI layer and database layer simultaneously. How it will controls? Simultaneously. In the sense what? At a time. What is the meaning of simultaneously? At a time. Understanding me? Yes. Now look here. Next. What is there? What we should have to do then? See, I'll tell you one example for this business logic layer, how it will controls. For example, this is our classroom. Okay. Okay. This is our classroom. And this is the screen. And here it is entry criteria. Entry is here. So this is entire screen, or we can say board. Okay. Two divisions are there. Like you know that. Here girls are sitting. All girls. And here boys. Okay. And this is a small space for walking. So directly boys will come here and girls will go there. Okay. So all the students are there. Yeah, all students in the sense all boys are here. And meanwhile, all girls are here. I'm teaching here. Where is the trainer? Here. Okay. Now suddenly, while I am teaching, suddenly one beautiful girl came into picture. She's having a lot of lipstick. Okay. The moment she enters in the class, I'm teaching very serious topic here. The moment she enters in the class, what happens? Tell me, boys. Will you see towards her or towards me? Two possibilities are there. Towards. Towards her. Very good. Towards her. Very good. Towards her. Yes, boss. Yes, Rajkumar. Towards me, ah. Oh, good, good. Think you belongs to Swami Vivekananda family. Yes. Towards me, ah. Paka. Good. Yeah. You will see towards me. You will act. The moment if I saw towards you, no, you will act. But your intention, your complete, what we can say, focus is on that particular girl. Am I right or wrong? It means simultaneously you are handling what? You are handling to me as well as to that girl. Am I right or wrong? So your focus, your vision, your field of vision is simultaneously on the board as well as on that particular goal. Same way, business logic layer will works on or it will controls both layers, UI as well as database at a time. Did you understand? Good. So next one is it done, ma? Copy this first. Yeah, is it done? Okay, good. Can I remove this? Yeah, Anshul, what is your query? Let me check your queries. Anshul. Hello, sir. Along with, yeah, video classes are there. Hello, sir. Along with the video class recordings also. Yes, we'll provide you recordings, guys. Not only recordings, for example, unfortunately, if you miss something in this class, I will handle simultaneously 5 to 6 batches here. Okay. So you can come to next batch also, no problem at all. Okay. So that is up to you. Don't worry about that. Okay. But I'm talking about old recordings. No, you will not get old recordings. Anshul. Yes, I will teach you entire things practically here. Don't you think? Okay, he will teach the theory and he will not take any scripts, any frameworks, no problem at all. I will teach you 6 frameworks here in the class coming to automation. Okay, syllabus content you will get no. You will get from the admins. Ask them, they'll provide you. What is the syllabus in API manual? What is the syllabus in API automation? What is the syllabus in Selenium, core Selenium, advanced Selenium? What is the syllabus under database testing, even manual testing? Duration of entire course is 100 days. Yes, BDD Cucumber will cover. BDD Cucumber, hybrid frameworks, form designing patterns, even Maven skeleton. Okay, data driven, all these frameworks, even REST assured also. How long is the course? Is 100 days. 2 projects. One is 100 days in the sense from here, Aram say you should have to calculate 3.5 months. Okay. Even we will be having classes on Saturday and Sunday also. Not now. Going forward, I will arrange some extra sessions. Then only it is possible to finish our syllabus within the time, within the deadline. Okay. Okay. I am Elias because of the network issue. Yes. Yes. 2 projects I will cover here. One is e-commerce domain, Swag Labs, and second one is manufacturing domain, that is CRM. No one can provide you one thing, I'll tell you. No one can provide the live which project is working in the organization. See, for each and every project, they will be having some limitations. If I share office like organization's screen, I don't have like what we can say authorities to share the screens. Forget about project. Project is secondary. We cannot share the screen also. Understanding me? Fine. Some securities are there, guys. But whatever we are creating, whatever we are teaching here, that is equivalent to entire workflow, how it is going on in the organization. Okay. Aram se after completion of the course, you will get 3 to 4 years of knowledge of automation testing. Okay. Do you offer in class practical exposures? Yes, yes, yes. Kirosha Chetty, yes. Satya, when we should be the ready to laptop for practicals? See, now I am teaching you manual testing. After 15 to 20 days, then we'll enter to the core Java. Directly testing is not possible, guys. First, I will teach you programming language. What is that language? Java, core Java. After completion of core Java, then I came to testing syllabus. What is our testing syllabus in the sense? Selenium WebDriver I will teach you from the scratch till the end. Sir, what is that Selenium WebDriver? That is used, that is one tool which is used for the web-based applications automation. Okay. Okay, good. Yes. Manual. That only I'm telling you, one project I will teach you under manual and one project I will teach you under automation. Look here, our curriculum once again I'll tell you. See, first I will teach you manual testing. What is that? Second, I will teach you core Java. Then I will teach you, wait. Then I will teach you core Selenium. Then I will teach you advanced Selenium with frameworks. Then I will teach you API testing using Postman. Then I will teach you API testing using REST assured. Then I will teach you SQL. It means it comes under database testing. What is that? Okay. And here we'll cover all functional testings, non-functional testings, SDLC, STLC, even performance testing. Then we will be having one project which is on e-commerce domain. Understanding? Same way, I will cover entire advanced Selenium on one project called as CRM, Customer Relationship Management. What is that? Which comes under manufacturing domain. Understanding? So this is our course curriculum, course structure. Did you understand? See, this comes under manual and core Java, core Selenium, advanced Selenium. These four things comes under UI testing. Which testing? User interface. And these two, one, two, even three. These three things comes under backend testing. What is that? And if I combine these two things, UI plus backend, then it is called as full stack testing. Understanding? What is that? Full stack testing. Now, did you understood clearly? Pakka? Yes. Ah, core Java is used for automation testing. See, automation testing is nothing but it needs one programming language and one tool. Sir, which programming language you are using? Java. Sir, which tool we are using? Selenium. Ah? Wrong answer. Selenium WebDriver. What is that? Now take the photo. No, we will not cover mobile. Again, mobile testing is having two types. One is Android, second one is iOS. So for that, we need MacBook. MacBook, you know, Apple's laptop. Fine. Is it done? It is enough not only for freshers, it is enough the person who is having knowledge of 4 years. How many years? 4 years. Okay, good. Is it done? Everyone. Low. Take in landscape mode. It will come entire. You know landscape? Horizontally. Take that one. Fine. Is it done, ma? Everyone? Yes. Now we will discuss last layer. What is that? Database. Database layer. Yeah. Tell me what is mean by data? Anyone know what is mean by data? Forget about layer. What is meaning? What is the meaning of data? Huh? Any input is called as data. Wrong answer. Is information. No. See, I'll tell you what is meant by information. See, there is one beautiful girl. Okay. I want to tell information about this object, about that girl. How I can tell? How I can tell the information? Ha. Directly I will tell like this. She is, for example, name of girl is Rita. What is that? What is this? She is Rita. What is she is Rita? Ha, it is information, no? Am I right or wrong? Yes. It is information. About what? About particular object or particular this girl. Now look here. What is meant by data if someone asks you? Boss, data is present inside the information. Data is part of information. Oh, it means somewhere data is present inside this particular information. She is data. What is data then? What is she? According to English grammar, what is she? Pronoun. Leni Majji, it is pronoun. What is? Prepo. It is helping verb. To be is helping verb. What is this? What is Rita? Rita is object. Rita is data. What is Rita? Data. So the entity which describes the attribute of particular object is called as data. Okay, fine. So going forward, we'll discuss in detail. Forget about it. Now, look here. Database layer. What it will do, ma? It will store user related data inside the database layer in the form of, tell me, in the form of, very good, tabular format. Tabular format means rows and columns. Rows and columns. Let us copy this. Now, who is responsible for this one then? Yes, it is developed by, database is developed by whom? Backend developers. Using which language? Again, relational database management system also, or a DBMS. See, done? Yeah, is it done, ma? Okay, good. Online team, can I remove this? Still you are writing. Copy first. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, fine. Now tell me what has been done till now. What we have discussed, all the points I need. What is software again? Layers of software again. First, we have discussed software company. Tell me what the software company will do. Ah, very good. Which services? It provides technology services. To whom? To the clients or customers or users. Okay, happy? Fine. Now I told you each and every company contains two core teams. One is, first one is development team. Second one is what this development team will do. They will develop the, what this testing team will do. They will test the software or application, software which is developed by Am I right? Yes. After this, what we have discussed, tell me. After this, it was our first point. So those who don't know this, copy fast. Is it done? Okay, good. Now see. So till now, covered topics. First one is software company and teams. Second one, software introduction. Like what is what? What is meant by software and all. Then we have discussed what? Layers of software. What are that three layers? User, business. Third one is who is responsible for user interface? Who is responsible for business logic? Who is responsible for database layer? Very good. Front end, code, and back end. Again, these two layers will comes under back end. This one layer comes under okay. Good. After that, anything else? What we have covered? Nothing else. Okay, fine. Now, this is the right time to discuss about testing means what? Do you have any idea about testing? Anyone? Yes. I'm not talking about software. I'm talking about simply testing. Software testing is different. This testing is different. This testing, for example, if I buy the pen, do you think can we buy the pen directly? Oh, give me that pen. Can we take direct that pen? No. What we'll do? We'll test whether it is writing or not. We'll write on one blank page. Am I right or wrong? Will we write on blank page or on the check directly? Blank pages. So what you are doing there? Testing. Same way, same way. For example, if you buy some new clothes in the cloth center, then what you will do? What is that? Testing. Understanding me? It means in our daily to daily life, what we will do? We will taste the things or we will taste the objects. We'll taste the object. Same way. In software industry also, we will test our softwares. So what is meant by software testing? Checking the application which is developed by developer. Before deployment. Deployment means what? Deliver in the sense to whom we will deliver the product? Customers, clients, end users. Inka? Anything else? Have you ever heard the word called as stakeholders? Do you know what is meant by stakeholder? Ha. Stakeholders in the sense clients in our language. So we should have to deliver software whom? To stakeholders. So before going to deliver this particular software to them, we should have to test that particular software in our organization first. That is called as software testing. But I have a question, why software testing is needed? What is the need of software testing? Why we are testing? Directly can we deliver? No. Deploy? No. So what? What happens with mistakes? Okay. We know very well. WhatsApp has launched one functionality, payment functionality. That was not working with the latest version of WhatsApp. You know very well. Still that is not working, but they have deployed. No. What happened? Who will raise the complaints? To whom? First thing, while developing the software, the main agenda of software development is we should have to deliver quality product to the clients. Which product? What is the meaning of quality? The meaning of word quality, I'm asking you. Quality means defectless product. What is that? Defectless product. It means there should be no even single defects in the product. Am I right? So what happens if without testing, if we deliver the software to the clients, there may be the chance to deliver the defective product. Which product? Ha. But what is our agenda? We should have to product which kind of product? Quality product. So quality product should not contains defects. But do you think 100% testing is possible? Pakka. Still we are doing testing. 100% is not possible. Then what is the use of that one? How we will try to do the 100% testing? Yes. Online team. By checking. Yeah. How we will achieve 100%? See how we will try to give 100% defectless product to the client. What we'll do? It is not there according to you. After deploying the application to the production environment. Yes. Okay, to perform different types of testings. Okay. 100% is not possible. Okay. See, boss, what we will do means to achieve maximum test coverage. What is that? Maximum test coverage. We will write more number of test cases. More number of test cases. Okay. Fine, no issue. So in next class, we'll discuss in detail what is meant by testing, then what is meant by software testing, then what are the types of testings, what is manual testing, what is automation testing, what is needed for manual, what is needed for automation. Everything we will discuss in the next class. Did you understand? Okay, good. Any? Only one. Only one, Java. In under API, like while teaching rest assured, I will teach you XML and JSON programming language. And in automation testing, I will teach you Java programming language. And don't you think, if you don't know even J of Java, no problem. Aram se come to the class, listen the classes, you will get it. Okay. Course fees, I don't know, boss. Ashwini, call to. Yes, Maven, GitHub, Jenkins, everything will cover. Ale. Maven, GitHub, Jenkins, Kurunga. Last topics from our testing. No problem. If you are from civil, if you are from MPhil, PhD, BA, BCom, no problem at all.